So this is our precision glue. I've been using it forever and ever. And then the first top that it take me right into the needles, which is I can do really precise, a lot of edges gap that have been mixing with the condensed glue gel and no wipe top coat. And I just squeeze just a little bit. You don't need a whole lot. And before I cure that nails, I will, using the twin tip brush, and blend those excess precision glue to make sure that this doesn't look slumpy bumpy after I cure it. How's everyone doing on Monday? Hope you all have a great weekend with your family. Second nails. So after you're happy with the first one, you just cure that. And you can see I did seals all and tie the frame and any bars all too, because then it prevent from getting really tarnished and dull really fast. Using twin tip brush. And I'm going to blend it. I'm trying not to touching my crystal surface because it's going to take away from the shine and the cut of it. Alright, next one. And this is super cute, stunning. So I'm going to seal it right here to make sure that it doesn't catch client's hair. I am going to wear these nails. It stay really cool. And then, well, last time I got it was last so long. It didn't come off until I did take them off. So hold on, I am going to seal this one again. I did top coat my chains already, so I'm gonna seal that again shortly. So after you fill all the gaps and the cracks and the edges of the crystals, you're gonna do close that red cap. Do not throw it away because then it will protect your needles of the precision glue nicely without spilling or drying up on you. It shouldn't be, but and I'm gonna coat that pumpkin, and the little baby goes, and then skeleton hand, and cure. And the next one, and this one right there. Make sure you don't touch in all the crystals. Coat her really nicely. Okay. Thank you so much, Eric. Here is this one. And there are the first and the second one. Third and the fourth. I can't wait for the tomorrow live tutorial. We're doing a long nails. And we can do more designs on it. This one is really smooth though, if you're feeling that. It's cool with the, it's got a lot of purple in there today, huh, for Eric's. Eric's must love the purple colors. Okay, let me move it closer. Right there. For Instagram. You love the long nails. Nice. Absolutely. I like the long nails. See, this is for all the nail techs who doing clients with a